Can the rhythm of our souls harmonize with the symphony of the universe, unlocking the portals of manifestation? As we embark on this transformative odyssey, we traverse the ethereal landscapes of vibrational energy, seeking to unlock the secrets of our true essence. We shall illuminate the path toward accelerated manifestation, navigating the celestial forces that shape our reality. Within these pages, we unravel the enigma of raising our vibration, a luminous key to unlocking the desires that dance in the depths of our hearts. In the ethereal dance of existence, vibrational energy swirls like celestial stardust, weaving intricate patterns that shape the very fabric of our reality. As the cosmic symphony unfolds, we find ourselves entwined in the harmonious cadence of the law of attraction and manifestation. What unseen forces bind us to the universe's cosmic rhythm? Dive deeper into the mystique of vibrational energy. The key to unlocking the secret chambers of self-discovery lies in its invisible threads. Embrace the enigma of frequencies that ripple through the quantum field, orchestrating the grand theater of life. For a moment, imagine the resonance of a single note, how its vibrations ripple outward, pulling toward it the essence of its harmonic king. Just as this symphony of frequencies magnetizes its counterparts, so do our thoughts and emotions serenade the universe, calling forth manifestations of our innermost desires. Through metaphors and tangible examples, we shall unravel the tapestry of vibrational energy, unveiling its profound influence on the manifestation of dreams and the unearthing of our true essence. Let us immerse ourselves in this cosmic dance as we illuminate the path to self-discovery through the essence of vibrational energy. The harmonious dance of positive thinking and emotions orchestrates the elevation of our very being. Like celestial constellations illuminating the night sky, they guide us towards the higher frequencies that resonate with our true essence. Can we not marvel at the wondrous alchemy that transpires within? In the crucible of our minds, positivity's transformative power unfolds, transmuting negativity's leaden weight into the golden radiance of elevated vibrations. We paint the canvas of our reality with each thought and emotion. Shall we embrace the brush of optimism, casting aside the shadows of doubt and fear? As the sun rises with unwavering hope, so too can we rise, awakening to the infinite potential that lies within. Through this cosmic dance, we discover that our inner landscape shapes the world we behold. And as the winds of change sweep through the chambers of our hearts, we learn to cultivate the garden of positivity, where the blossoms of joy and gratitude flourish. Let us unravel the threads of negativity, weaving instead the tapestry of positivity that leads us closer to our true essence. In this grand voyage of self-discovery, we find that the power to raise our vibration resides within, waiting to be unlocked by the gentle touch of our thoughts and emotions. Let us embark on this transformative journey, and with each step, embrace the radiant dawn of a positive mindset and the luminous radiance of aligned emotions. The profound art of embracing gratitude and abundance. Like shimmering stars scattered across the night sky, gratitude illuminates our souls, casting a radiant light on self-discovery. As we traverse this ethereal journey, we recognize the intertwining threads of abundance consciousness, weaving dreams into reality with effortless grace. What symphony of frequencies orchestrates the manifestation of desires? And how does the melody of gratitude resonate with the quantum field? Within the depths of our being, we unearth the key to unlocking the floodgates of abundance, to elevate our vibration and accelerate the dance of manifestation. Let us embrace the sacred alchemy of gratitude and abundance, indulging in exercises and practices that sow the seeds of cosmic benevolence within our hearts. As we cultivate this sacred garden, we shall witness the blossoming of our desires, the sweet nectar of abundance glistening upon our lips, and the essence of our souls revealing itself in its fullest brilliance. Art beckons us to release the burdens of attachment and resistance in the eternal dance of manifestation. The essence of surrender, like a graceful river flowing towards the boundless sea, holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe's divine timing. How often have we clung to desires with an emotional grip, unaware that holding tight impedes the natural flow of abundance? Letting go is not a surrender of dreams, but a liberation of the spirit, allowing the winds of fate to carry our intentions with effortless grace. Picture the delicate butterfly embracing the currents of the wind, trusting in its destiny, and finding freedom in the release of control. So too must we spread our wings and soar on the currents of surrender, knowing that the universe cradles our deepest longings with loving hands. Letting go is an act of profound self-discovery, surrendering the ego's demands, and an invitation to dance in harmony with the grand symphony of life. In the vast cosmos of manifestation, intentions and visualizations emerge as the guiding stars illuminating our path to desires fulfilled. Like cosmic architects, we lay the blueprints of our dreams upon the canvas of existence, shaping reality with the brushstrokes of our intentions. What wondrous power lies within our minds, where dreams take flight and possibilities expand like the universe itself. Through the tapestry of intention, we invite the universe to dance to the melody of our desires, each note resonating with the frequency of creation. And as we immerse ourselves in the vivid tapestry of visualization, the ethereal brushstrokes of our imagination bring our dreams to life, like radiant stars sparkling against the dark canvas of the night sky. Behold, the enchantment of intentional manifestation, where intentions become spells woven with the finest threads of hope, and visualizations become mirrors reflecting our deepest desires. In this cosmic dance of intention and visualization, we unearth the treasures hidden within, revealing the true essence of our being amidst the boundless wonders of creation. Through stories etched in stardust and research forged in the crucible of curiosity, we find evidence of our capacity to shape destinies and manifest our wildest dreams. So embrace this cosmic symphony, dear souls, and let your intentions soar like comets across the celestial tapestry. Harness the power of visualization to paint the portrait of your desires with the palette of your imagination. In this interstellar dance, let the quest for self-discovery be the guiding light that leads you to the essence of your being. This cosmic dance of self-discovery empowers us to raise our vibration, unleashing our capacity to shape destinies and manifest our dreams. We embrace the interstellar quest, guided by the light of self-discovery, painting the portrait of our desires with the palette of imagination. In this grand voyage, may we harness the magic within and let our intentions soar like comets across the celestial tapestry. By embracing the art of raising our vibration, we awaken to a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance as we dance in harmony with the grand symphony of life itself.